Okay, guys. So one of the things I noticed that is that um, on MobyMax, one of the things we struggled with was even and odd numbers. So even and odd numbers, those are English terms for these different sets of numbers. So even numbers are numbers that can be divided into groups equally. So for example, here, when I have 1, I cannot make 2 equal whole number groups with 1. So this is odd. 2, I can make 2 equal groups. They both have 1 inside, 2 groups of 1. That is even. Then I have 3. In this group, I have 2 in one group and 1 in the other. That's going to be an odd group. Number 4, when I make 4 dots, I have 2 equal groups of 2. That is even. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I make 2 groups, they are not equal. That means they are odd. Number 6, I have 1, 2, 3 in one group, 1, 2, 3 in a second group. So see how these 2 groups are the same? They are equal. That makes them even. So it just keeps on going. When I make 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My groups are not equal. That makes this odd. And it keeps going and going and going. So when you look at this chart, it says even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, and it keeps on going. So any number with 2, 4, 6, 8, or a 0, those numbers are even. 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Whether it's 92 or 70, we're looking at the last number. So the 2 makes it even. The 4 makes it even. The 6 makes it even. The 8, the 0 at the end makes it even. The numbers that are odd, these are the numbers that will not make equal groups when you make 2 groups. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So on this sheet, you are going to be marking the numbers. It says color the ice blocks with even numbers blue. So we're looking for numbers with 2, 4, 6, 8 will be blue, and color the odd numbers yellow. So 7 is odd, it would be yellow. 14 has a 4 at the end. That makes it blue. It is even. 8 is one of our even numbers, but 5 is odd. So you're going to color these according to this chart right here, finding the numbers that are even and odd. So that is our first page of evens and odds. Next, we have some money work. So it's important to know American money. Here we have a chart for you: a penny, nickel, dime, quarter, $1, and $5. So a quarter is 25 cents or 0.25. So a quarter, 25 cents. A penny is 1 cent. There are 2 ways you can write it. Usually you will see it written like this. 5 cents is a nickel, a dime is 10 cents. So this paper is just for you to use when solving your problems. So here Miss Drebeck did an example and she marked the coins, how much they're worth, and then she added it all together and wrote it with a dollar sign. So remember, 2 spaces, 1, 2, and then you put your decimal. So we went over 2 spaces and we got our decimal. So right here, 2 spaces, decimal, which gives me $1.05. So continue using that process.